Hey guys, so we're back. We're doing a short, well not, I don't know if it's going to be short or not, but probably. We're doing a little explore in a...
Banded air raid shelter?
Yep, in Riddings. Oh, I had my finger in the way, sorry. And the weather's not exactly nice, but we'll deal with it. And we'll push out content for you.
It's not as much of a long video, but it will be something. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.
We'll see you at the air raid shelter.
Alright guys, so at the moment, Stephen's going to try and find it. He's going to try and guess. So most of it will probably be sped up until he finds an area where he thinks it is. First it's a bridge. Look at that.
It's a bit broken.
Alright, off you go, Stephen. Let's try and find it.
Is it up that hill?
Nope. It's on your left.
Oh,
It says. Here we go.
I shouldn't do that. I've got a bad run.
Quite a nice area actually. So.
Quite closed off. I don't think we'll have to climb over one of them fences, surely.
I think what?
I don't think we'll have to climb over one of them fences, surely. Oh, entrance.
First entrance, guys.
Is that it?
Did you think this is it or not?
I mean, there's a little path up there.
Yes or no?
No.
Correct. There we go.
Smart. Oh, and that's it. That's it. I can tell. That's it.
Up there?
Yeah.
Right then. So,
Is it?
you tell me, right? So you think that that's the entrance up there?
No.
Yes or no?
No, because it's too obvious.
No. Okay. I say this. So where's the entrance?
There.
Okay.
Oh,
Are you?
it's over the wall.
No, it's here. It is
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Right, get up this wall.
Oh.
Alright, take the camera. Jesus Christ.
Who's recording?
Me. Look to your right. That's where you're going.
Oh.
Alright, off we go. Nice jump.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Bit dodgy at it. The path leads right to it, Stephen.
Oh, okay.
And here it is.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh.
And
Oh my god.
that is it. Alright,
So guys, we are here.
we've got the torch. Oh god, that might be a bit bright for you. It's alright, it's not.
Oh.
Right,
Alright, so we're gonna go in.
we're going to go in. I've not got a torch, so I'm going to have to stay quite close to Stephen.
It smells bad in here.
It does, it's absolutely terrible.
Sorry.
I should put my mask on, shouldn't I, actually? Oh, it stinks.
This is definitely an air raid shelter, by the way.
Is it? It's a bit small, isn't it? Look.
Yeah, it is a bit small.
Let's explore. Alright then.
It smells like fags in here.
There's the ladder on the opposite side.
Don't know if that's safe to get out, is it?
Probably not.
Looks like it's collapsed. Oh, yes it is.
You can get out, yeah.
Oh.
Have the torch? Right. We've got,
Look behind us when the torch isn't on. The other way. Put the torch that way and look behind us. How creepy that looks.
Jesus. You've got blue thing.
Tyres got in.
There's a scooter here, you know.
Oh, frozen. There's a spider on it.
Is it? Oh yeah. Your spider. There you go, you can take the camera for a bit now and film. Let's look around. What do they show you?
Very nice.
We're gonna get that crappy torch out.
It's the police.
It's the police. God, this torch is absolutely
Sam.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my god.
Liam, 1999.
I don't know if we're able to show this on YouTube, Kimmy. I'll show you before we show the camera. Because I think it's racist, isn't it? I'll show it.
Jesus Christ.
Frin.
What's this?
Bud. Bud.
Hair.
There's lots of buds.
Oh, where is it?
Jared, I know Jared.
Arms.
I
Right.
think Set 8 had a school trip here. Arms.
Right, I think that's it then, isn't it?
Yeah,
We'll have a look around this area.
it's not the best explore, but at least we're pumping out some content and exploring our local area.
Steve. It's your name there.
I don't think that was me. There's another swastika.
And Peter. That's a weird name. That's a weird spelling of Peter.
Pete Atta.
Guys, it's raining. It's raining very heavily. Oh, who's that?
Oh, random man.
Random man. We've got a
The ladder.
This is the ladder. So it's a bit weird. Give me the torch sec. I'm gonna go. So that's what it looks like from here, I guess. You got the nice little scooter, Coca-Cola bottle,
Sexy
ladder.
legs.
Yeah, pretty sexy legs. Alright then, so Stephen, you want to do the outro?
Yeah. So guys, that's it for today's video. The rain's absolutely hammering it down. And that's it, yeah. I know it's small, but
It was something, just
Yeah.
an extra video to get out, isn't it?
we'll see you in the next exploration video. Bye.